All right, Hawks, it's time for Nursing Home Angels, our yearly community service project to support the folks at Wildwood Nursing Home. This is an exciting tradition here at Hill City where we work together to collect items for grandmas, grandpas, and other elderly people that live at Wildwood. The first thing you can bring is hygiene items like small, sample, hotel-sized soaps and items that we use to clean our bodies. These are small items that are easy to hold and not very heavy for those older folks at Wildwood. That includes toothbrushes, toothpaste, and other sample-size items. Along with that, you can bring chapstick and lotion. I mean, it's getting cold outside, guys, and who doesn't love to have soft hands and good smelling lotion and for their lips to feel really good with some chapstick when things get cold and your lips get dry. These are great things to bring for this collection. And everybody loves hard candy, especially the people at Wildwood Nursing Home. So things like hard candies, peppermints, spearmint rings, and even some candy canes, since we're getting close to Christmas, would be an awesome thing to bring for our Nursing Home Angels collection. And speaking of a sweet tooth, oh boy, soft snack cakes and cookies. Some of us call them Little Debbie's, but all of those soft things are easy for older people to chew and swallow. And I think all of us, no matter how old we are, can't pass up a yummy Little Debbie snack cake. And another thing that folks at Wildwood love to do is play bingo. So bingo prizes would be a great thing that you could bring. And bingo prizes can really be anything from card games to puzzle books to even little stuffed animals or small pieces of jewelry. Anything that would be fun to win at bingo. Now, all of these things that we are collecting, we will be putting in storage bags and paper lunch sacks to create goodie bags for our Nursing Home Angels project. We'll be working on those as we get closer to Christmas. So we need to start collecting those storage bags and paper sacks now. So guys, these are the things that we're going to be collecting from now until Thanksgiving break for our Nursing Home Angels collection. And you will see all of those collection boxes out in the lobby near our media center. So we're starting to collect now, but we will keep on collecting until the end of November. So I hope that each of you will participate. Remember, guys, you can make a difference in the life of someone who's lonely and feeling left out at Wildwood Nursing Home. By using your kindness and bringing in 1 or 2 donations, you and I can work together to collect things that are gonna make awesome Christmas care packages for people at Wildwood Nursing Home. So donate today. It's not expensive, it doesn't take a lot of time, but boy, when we show kindness, it sure does feel good.